Can we override the static method? Let's try it out. So we have this cat class and we have print. So now I'm gonna make it static. And if you notice, we have this which is related to the object that gets created, and this is basically will not work because this cannot be referenced from static. So I'm gonna be removing this part and I'm gonna keep it this way. So now I'm gonna create another class, for example, class, let's say tiger, which is basically a cat. So and now we're gonna be doing it. Okay, so what it is, we need to create a constructor that's matching the super. Okay, so for this one, let's just do it for sake of simplicity. What else do we need? We need to move tiger to tiger class. Okay, so basically we need to make a different package for this, or basically different class for this class. Okay, so far we're doing fine. So we have the cat and we have the tiger within its own class. Okay, so why now can we override this printing? So let's try it, and we're gonna copy this static method and let's do it now and add override, of course. And you will notice that static method cannot be annotated with override. Wow, you cannot really override the static method. So what happens if you do this? It also method does not override method from its superclass, because for it will be completely different. The cat is not really uh, allowing this kind of overriding, because static means the moment you create this class, or you any object, or you access this class basically, you're gonna be creating this kind of static scope, so you can't really override on runtime because it doesn't really make sense, since you're gonna be accessing static methods, which is basically one same block of code that's going to be executed every single time. So you really can't override a static method here. So you can't really add static here, and you cannot really overriding if you remove this kind of static.